Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss about how to get clear skin, remove acne and scars naturally. There is nothing great than having a flawless skin without acne scars, pimple scars, blemishes, dark spots on face. All these acne, pimple, dark spots and blemishes make a person look bad and make them feel horrific. Aloe vera contains rich amount of vitamins that helps in healing the skin and fading the scars. It doesn't damage your skin but keeps it moisturized and makes the skin look wonderful. It makes the skin softer and healthier. You just need to extract the gel from aloe vera leaves and the even layer of the aloe vera gel on the face or affected areas and then leave it overnight. Do this remedy regularly for good results. It helps remove acne and scars naturally. Lemon juice contains certain properties that help in fading the scars. Lemon juice also heals and revitalizes our skin. You just simply have to squeeze the juice from lemon into a bowl and then apply the juice over the scars with the help of a cotton ball. Let it dry for some time and then rinse it off with cold water. Repeat this remedy twice or thrice in a week for glowing and flawless skin. This remedy helps in fading the scars faster. This is the natural treatment for pimples. Coconut oil, another great remedy that can be used in order to get a flawless and glowing skin, is nothing but coconut oil. Coconut oil naturally moisturizes and heals skin. Take a spoon of organic virgin coconut oil. With the help of your fingertips, massage the coconut oil directly over the affected area and let it soak in for some time. You do not need to wash the coconut oil from your face. Let the vitamins and fatty acids continue to work over your skin. Coconut oil helps in improving our skin health. After leaving the coconut oil on your face for about 2 hours, you can remove it with the help of a natural cleanser. Use this best herbal remedies for pimples regularly for a few months for effective results. Golden Glow Capsules and Chandra Prabha Upton. Golden Glow Capsules are very effective in dealing with pimples and acnes. In a very short time, these herbal capsules tone the dry and rough skin of our face. It tightens the skin and removes the rough patches. These capsules cure certain skin disorders like acne, eczema, etc. The capsules help in getting flawless pimple-free skin. Chandra Prabha Upton fight against acne and other skin disorders naturally. It provides our skin a fairer glow by improving our skin shade. Keeps our skin healthy and makes it radiant, shinier and flawless. It also absorbs the excess oil from our skin and makes our skin tighter. You can find more details about Golden Glow Capsules and Chandra Prabha Upton at dropshipperablesupplements.com. If you liked this video, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get updates of other useful health video tutorials.